Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello, fellow beings. Guess what? This is the most astronomical time of expansiveness and of everyone looking inside themselves. Have you been feeling it? Have you been feeling out of sorts? Have you been feeling like, I don't know what to do with myself? Yes, everyone is being offered an opportunity to purge, to let go, and to grow themselves exponentially. I've been doing a lot of saging of my home, a lot of really in deep introspection, quiet time. I haven't been on social media very much. I find that it is not a time to look for expertise outside of myself, but to go inside and purge so I can be more open for what is the opinions and the suggestions of the global activity of transformation. There's so much going on, but I know in my heart when I speak to myself through the divine, vortex of life and consciousness, the clarity is kindness. The clarity is responsibility. The clarity is nothing's happening to me. Life is happening, and I get to choose how to be responsive, how to move, how to integrate, how to contribute, to be of service. Now, if I'm just a grumpy old bitch, then how am I contributing? If I'm just angry and frustrated because I'm confused, how am I contributing? So being quiet. I've been very quiet lately. Except for those that are really close to me. I've had some tears and saying, I'm so sorry I interjected or I stated my opinion, because everybody has to go through their own processes. Yes, we're processing, composting, purging, letting go, surrendering. These are lots. And I do suggest that we come back to the belly breath, to slow down, to really embrace the gift of being in this world at this time. Don't forget, what we forgot is that we chose karmically to be here. Yeah, I know a lot of you are like, what is this? This karma stuff? We are all energies that are infinite. We've been here millions of times, zillions of times. And all to contribute for the greater good, to remember what we've forgotten, that love, consciousness, kindness is the only antidote, the only answer to all of this. If we really want to stop all this negativity and this war and all this crap-a-doodle stuff that's going on, it begins with you. You got to stop the insanity of being the negative, being the angry, being the bitchy, being the blaming person, being the person that starts fires and doesn't know how to put them out. You know who I'm talking about. So if you want to contribute for the greater good, then be of service by loving yourself. Begins with you. Purge all the negativity. Be in your fearless self. Be kind. Be creative. Be the change and the peace that you want to see in the world by starting inside. This is an inside job. It's not an outside job. Take the time out. Trust in divine. I'm slowing down so much. Are you hearing this? Are you open? Are you open? Are you open? Let's do this together. Namaste, everybody. Begin with yourself. TeresaGagnon.com is the solution. It is yoga for all recoveries. Take this opportunity to slow down and do it.